The application of heat pipes in the thermal management of electronics has increased considerably in recent years because of PCB space constraints and increasing component power density. To meet the demand, ATS has expanded our heat pipe line, adding new round and flat heat pipes to bring our total number of options from 33 to more than 350. Round heat pipes are now available in lengths of 70 to 600 millimeters and diameters of 4 to 10 millimeters. Flat heat pipes are now available in lengths of 70 to 500 millimeters, widths of 4.83 to 11.41 millimeters, and heights of 2 to 6.5 millimeters. The full line of heat pipes features grooved or sintered copper powder wick structures. ATS heat pipes are ideal for use in compact electronics enclosures, aerospace, medical, consumer electronics, HVAC, and more. ATS is now your home for the broadest off-the-shelf heat pipe offering on the market, giving you the opportunity to avoid costly custom options from other sources. For more information on the expanded ATS heat pipe line, please visit Qats.com.